Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today. Here are the supplies. You need one piece of Painted Seasons Designer Series paper that measures 6 by 6, Whisper White, and Calypso Coral that measures 1/2 inch by 7. We're going to get out the Simply Scored scoring tool and we're going to score this paper. We're going to score it at 2 inches on all 4 sides. So 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now I'm going to fold on the score lines. This is a super easy project to make. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut up to the score line, and I'm laughing because it's almost impossible to see those lines. I love this paper, but with all these lights that I have on, it's invisible. Maybe I can, nope, I can't see it better on that side. Let's see, I need to just angle it. Okay, so I did that on 2 sides, okay? This is a super easy project to make. Now, what you're gonna do is bring this up like that, and then this is gonna go over like that, and this is gonna come just like that, and you're gonna line up those 2 points right there, okay? Super easy. Now, what I like to do is take my hole punch, the 1/8 circle punch, and go ahead and punch a hole there. And then what I'm going to do is take, well, let's go ahead and add the hole to our strip. This is our handle. And I'm going to take my bone folder and just kind of give it just a slight curl. Now let's pick this back up here. We're going to line that up right there, and then we're going to add the brads. I've got 2 of the copper here. You can make a bunch of these little baskets super quick. Okay, so now let's do this other side. So I'm going to make sure those points line up together, and then take my hole punch and then line this up. If you find that these brads are a little too long, you can take some wire cutters and trim them. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take some liquid glue, and I just want to seal up this edge here. So just a little bit of glue there, and then the same thing over here, just a little bit. Whoops. And you can do the same thing in here. You don't have to, but I just like putting just a little bit. A little bit goes a long ways with this. Okay, so there's that. You can decide which side looks the best. They both look pretty good. I'll go with this one. Okay, so we're going to take the, oh, and I forgot to tell you that you need Calypso Coral for your Starburst punch. So Starburst, Calypso Coral, and then we need the Whisper White here. Now let me show you this. If you are not a fan of Bella and Friends, don't tell me, I don't want to know because I love her. But here's Fable Friends. So if you're still looking for more Easter projects, here's your Fable Friends. And it's using A Good Day. The greeting is from A Good Day on this one. And the greeting on this one is, I have forgotten the name, Happy Tales, okay? And I'll make sure it's on the screen. So let's stamp Bella with the Memento ink. And then we're going to stamp Rough Rough with Memento ink. Now when I'm coloring, I'm going to talk about something I'm offering right now. I'm going to put it in the screen. All the details will be on my website. I'm using 3 Stampin' Blend markers. I'm using the combo of the Crumb Cake and then Light Cajun Craze. Even though this is Calypso Coral, I wanted that color to pop just a little bit more. So you could use the Calypso Coral, but I'm using Cajun Craze. Okay, so while I'm coloring, I'll talk about my Make and Take packet. So I'm offering 4 projects, and I'm going to be showing you all 4 of those projects this week. It's going to be a Make and Take packet that includes all the supplies, so the brads, everything but the adhesive. Okay, now I'm taking the dark Crumb Cake. So I'll have it all spelled out over on my website, but I want to make sure that I remind you guys that I don't offer double reward system. So if you are one of my Chick Rewards customers, please contact me. I'll have a link to my email on my website, and I'm going to discuss with you what your options are, okay? Yeah. The 4 projects are stinking cute, so I had a lot of fun creating them. And I think every one of them I offered alternative stamps. So like for this one, it's Bella and Friends, and I showed you could use Fable Friends. The other 3 projects, I believe every one of them I show a different stamp set, just in case. And they are using multiple stamp sets, but by the end of the week, you'll be able to see how you can substitute. Okay, so now we're going to cut her out with the 2-inch circle punch. She fits perfectly in there. And then we're going to cut out the greeting with the 3/4 circle punch. So no special tools are needed for this one. We're going to add this to the Starburst with Snail. Don't forget, I still have the adhesive totes over on my website. And then we're going to take Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to take a regular dimensional, place it on the back of the ruff, and then I'm going to get my basket, and I want to make sure that I position it in the right spot. So I'm going to attach her to the basket first, and then I'll add the greeting. Isn't that cute? Okay, so super easy, right? Here's the original, here's the one we just made, and then here's the alternative if you wanted another Easter project. If you have any questions, let me know. The inspiration sheet is available over on my website with all the details. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.